Hello, everyone. This is Mrs. Hellman, your library media specialist, and today I wanted to talk to you about what the library is going to look like this year. As you know, everything's a little bit different in this time, so we won't be using the physical library space, but there are a couple of great ways for you to get your hands on books this year that I want to go over with you.
We'll start on the library's website, which is at nock-molinlibrary.com. If you're not sure where to find something, it's a good place to start. There are links to our ebook collection, the regular library catalog, and the databases, and they're all easy to find. We will spend some time going over the databases another day if you need a refresher, but today I'd like to show you how to log into Sora. So I'm going to start by going to eBooks and Audio right here on the front page, and then click Sora. If you've logged into Sora before, it may just tell you what collection you're accessing. Ours is the MLS Commonwealth ebook collection. But if you don't see that there, you just click Switch Schools. It will try to find your school. If you don't see it there, I'm not in your report, so it's not finding it. I'll click My School Isn't Listed. Search for the town. And it'll have you select your school from the drop-down menu. At this point, it may ask you to log in using Google. So I'm going to use my school email address. And then it'll have me sign in through the school's Google portal. And this is Sora. One of the great things about Sora is that there are lots of pre-made collections to help you decide what to read. To search for a book, use the search bar right at the top, type in your search terms, and go. To set preferences, use this little plus sign, and you can filter it. For example, I would say I don't want a book that's not available today. So instead of everything, I'll choose that I only want to see available books. If you want a different format, like an audiobook, or if you want a different audience. This collection includes things that are made for younger readers, so maybe you're more in a young adult place right now. So you'll click that and hit apply. If you want to hold a book that's not ready yet, all you need to do is click place hold. Once you do that, the system will tell you how long it might be until you actually get to check the book out. If the book is available, just click borrow and it will instantly be downloaded and available to read. Books can be read right in your browser. Turning pages is as easy as clicking or swiping, although this one's still downloading. Books are checked out for a loan period of 13 days, and at the end of that, they'll automatically return themselves, so you don't have to worry about it. If you're not finished and no one's waiting for it, you'll be able to renew it or borrow it again. But if there is a waiting list, you may have to come back to it another time. To see what books you have checked out and what books you have holds on, you just go to Shelf, and you can manage your holds list there, and any lists you've made, wish lists or read lists, or books you've hated, books you've liked. And that's Sora. The other thing I want to show you today is your library catalog account. Paper books are still a thing, and you're still allowed to borrow them and even bring them home and back. We'll quarantine them for a week to ensure they're safe to loan to the next person. From the link on the library webpage, you'll access the catalog. To log into your account, you'll click Login, and when it prompts you, you'll put in your school username and password. Once you're logged in, you can search the catalog for books you're interested in. And you can put a hold on any book that you want to borrow. So if the book is on the shelf, click hold. And the same thing goes for books that are checked out. You can also make lists of your favorites. To access your account, you'll click on the menu in the top left-hand corner. You'll be able to see what you have on hold, what you have checked out, and if your holds are ready. You can also access your favorites list here. Important things to know about this process. If you put a book on hold and it is sitting on the shelf, you'll instantly be notified that it's ready for you, as you can see. This is a lie, unfortunately. It's not exactly like takeout, and sometimes the book isn't where it's supposed to be, and the computer just doesn't know that. So be aware that it might be not as instant as it says. The other thing to know is that our library book delivery service to your classrooms won't be fully functional for a few weeks as we get settled and get the process in place. So have patience. Email me with questions for book recommendations, and I can't wait to get those books into your hands. See you soon.